Y'all, y'all ready for this? Yeah.
Hey there fam, it's your coach Nadia here, and today I'm bringing you another one-move dance routine. We are rocking the Dougie to a song called Royals by New Alchemy. Let's hit it.
Y'all ready for this?
Yeah. All right, so here's how it's gonna go. We're gonna start with just the upper body, and then we'll get into the lower after. Start with your feet apart, knees slightly bent. Here we go. Take it single, single, then double. Come on. Single, single, then double. Let's pick it up. It's hard not to move the feet, right? That's all right. You can do what you want. As long as you add that nice style. Come on. Whew. Feel those shoulders working already. That's it. You ready to work that lower body? Here we go. With the left, we're taking single, tap, single, then a little double. Again, single, single, double. Let's keep it slow. Add a little style. Single, double. That's it. Come on. Single, single, double. Let's pick it up. Ha. Woo. That's right. How'd it feel? Trying not to add those arms yet, because we're about to do it right here. You ready? Add the arms. Here we go. Little single, single, double. Yeah, I slowed it down on you. Single, single, double. That's it. Come on. That's right. That's right. I know you know what to do. Pick it up. Come on. What about that shoulder sway? Add a little arm. Ha. Ha. Come on. Take it up. Dig it back. Come on. Turn it to the right. Ha. To the back. Come on. To the left. To the front. Last time. Ready to finish it off? Show me what you got.